Hi, I'm Jon O'Connor here at Bailey's in Tauranga. Last month, when we updated you last, the results were still strong in the Tauranga and Mount Maunganui residential markets. However, there were signs of a slowdown and there were some events on the horizon that we expected to have an impact. We now have some useful data to share with you which confirms what we were seeing and feeling at that time. Here in Tauranga, the median price for March was $960,000, up 10% from March last year when it was $871,000. And the number of sales of 141 are down 17% on the 169 sales we experienced 12 months ago. It took 36 days to sell a property in March, which is 7 days longer than the same time last year. Interestingly, the number of listings in Tauranga was approximately 460 compared to just under 200 last March. And the people looking online for our properties came from the Bay of Plenty, Auckland, Waikato, Canterbury and Wellington regions. Now let's take a look at the market over the other side of the bridge in Mount Maunganui and Papamoa. The median price in March was $1,150,000, up 23% from $932,000 last year. Sale numbers were at 91 and down 31% on the 131 that we experienced a year ago. And at 35 days to sell, this is 9 days longer than last year. The number of listings in the Mount and Papamoa was approximately 310 in March compared to approximately 160 last March. And the view is interesting, located from Auckland, Bay of Plenty, Waikato, Wellington, but also New South Wales, perhaps an indication of Kiwis living in Sydney eyeing a return to New Zealand in the near future as our borders open again. Now, while March shows some trends, having now just finished April, the data will be more significant for buyers and sellers. We have experienced a disruptive month as the COVID outbreak peaked, an increase in the OCR and lending rates, record high inflation in 3 short weeks, and so sales volumes are right down, indicating that there is less demand due to more supply and fewer buyers, so things are taking a little bit longer to sell. If I'm a seller right now, I can be really pleased with the gains I've made over the past 2 years. However, I now have more competition with other homes on the market, so I need to adopt a marketing strategy that will deliver me the qualified buyers, and when those buyers present themselves, I need to understand the market dynamics and have strong negotiators acting on my behalf. If I'm a buyer right now, I should be really happy with the amount of options I have in front of me, more than I've had in some time. There are not as many buyers competing with me either at present, so I should have confidence when I find that ideal property to put myself in the strongest position possible with terms and to enter into talks with the sellers. If you have any questions about any of this information or would like some personalised and friendly advice around your property goals, please reach out to either myself or any of our other experienced salespeople here at Bailey's. We're always available and we're ready to help.